The latest now on the fire that has broken out in Delhi, in Dwarka area, in a residential building there, and 8 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. Tragically, reports that 3 have died in this fire, that residents even jumped off the building in panic, given that this massive fire. There you can see visuals from earlier and the smoke billowing from that apartment, and many people gathered there in the balcony. Now, according to reports, what fire officials have said, that the call regarding this blaze was first reported around 10 o'clock, after which 8 fire tenders were rushed to the area. Firefighting operations continuing, and the fire is being brought under control. Also, the cause of this fire remains unknown as of now, but very tragic that 3 people have died in this fire incident, that residents in a panic have jumped off of the building. So this fire breaking out in a building in Dwarka in Delhi. So firefighting operations are currently underway. If we give you more details, this is in Sector 13 of Delhi's Dwarka, and this is near the MRV school. This building is called the Sabad Apartments in Sector 13. As we said, the cause for the fire is still not known, but tragically 3 people have died in this fire, and this is after some residents in a panic even jumped off of the building. There you can see this is on the 7th floor that the fire broke out, and these visuals show you how smoke was billowing from that particular apartment building. There was a panic. Residents jumped off of the building as well, and 3 have died. Now, the fire officials have said that the call regarding the fire came around 10 in the morning, and 8 fire tenders were then pressed into service, were rushed to the area and worked to bring the fire under control. Ambulances too were rushed to the area. Now, at this point, it's not known as to what triggered this fire. Let's go across to Prerna Sharma now for more. Prerna, what is the latest you can share with us?
The latest update about this fire is that 3 people have died, 2 kids and their father, who was 35 years old. His name was Yash Yadav, has died and 2 kids, both of them were 10 years old. 1 boy and 1 girl have died because they jumped to rescue themselves from this top floor, as you can see, where the fire broke out. They jumped from this floor to rescue themselves as they were trapped in the balcony, and their mother and elder brother, they were outside, because of which they were rescued, but the kids and their father were not able to be rescued because fire tenders did not reach till that time. And in order to rescue themselves, in panic, they jumped, and the kids were rushed to the Akash hospital, and father was rushed to the IGI hospital, where they were declared dead. And the 2 other family members, they were also rushed to the hospital. They have sustained minor injuries, and they are under observation, and they are being treated. And a lot of commotion was created, and the bigger question here is, the reason is still not known as to what led to the fire, but the bigger question here is that when these people jumped, here the locals are saying that all of them were busy in making the videos, and no one rescued them, and immediately they were rushed to the hospital, and there they were declared dead. So the bigger question lies that where were the fire tenders? Why were they not rescued, and why the people here did not try to rescue them, and they were making videos? Over to you.
All right.